right here is the ultimate fishing machine that can be converted into a food truck. And this is one of a kind. You won't see any more like this. This right here is the storage underneath. Got these open and shut. Got locks for them. There you go, underneath storage. Going around the van. Got your outside light mirrors here for your view. It has outside spotlights up top. Okay. It has a stainless steel bumper on it. The casing of this thing is aluminum. Also another mirror over here on this side. And then up top, there's two more spotlights up there. There's also a AC unit on top, and there's also a water tank up top, and there's storage up top as well. Here's more storage space on the bottom here, on the outside. This right here is an outside sink and an outside countertop. Sorry. This right here is a prep table, an outside prep table, and it also has a water spigot right here that you can hook your water hose up to clean whatever it is that you want to clean out here. And it has heavy duty tires on it all the way around. And the back tires is durable, that you can make it into two tires. You can put two tires on this on the rear. And then coming back around here, the stainless steel door, and the inside has stainless steel in it. And this right here is aluminum stainless steel deck on the back. This deck, you can let it up and travel with it that way, or you can travel with it this way. And if you do, you can lift these lights and flip them up where the people will be able to see your lights. And that's about all I gotta say about this particular vehicle at this particular time. If you have any questions, you can call the number that will be listed, which will be 954-559-6563. Thank you for your